So I am here at the Eurobike Expo in Frankfurt, and among all the cool things here, there's one thing that's definitely a highlight for me, and that's a foldable bike called Lemmo. Now I just got a demo of it. Let me show you guys what it's like. Okay, so I found a competitor where you say better than Brompton, right?
Yeah.
That's the plan. Let's take a look at the bike here.
So this is a Lemmo Zero. So the company is based in Berlin. We are around from 2022. We also have a shop in Berlin where you can see all our models and experience actually Lemmo. This model is Lemmo 1. We designed it originally that you can travel everywhere with the bike. So the bike itself is foldable, and I said better than Brompton because it's like 20% smaller when folded. And it's also lighter because it's made from carbon. And the big specialty is that the battery is actually below 160 watt-hour, so just below the limit that you can take with you to the plane. So you can put this in the suitcase, this one in the backpack, and you can travel everywhere you want. And I'll show you how it folds. And the main trick why it's smaller is because when you fold it, actually the wheel goes through the frame.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and then it locks here with the seat. Put this one here, and that's it.
Okay. But I guess it's heavy.
10 kilos. With the battery is around 13 kilos.
But it's okay.
Yeah, no, it's very light. It's very light.
Can I try?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, it's pretty light.
Yeah. If you want to carry like this, or if you want to roll, we also can put back the handlebar. I can show you. So when you roll, we kind of advise to use this way. And then we also have this carbon fiber mud guards with additional wheel. They're very light, and they help you with the roll to add more stability, and also a small trick here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's better. That's better.
So it's even stable like with the battery on. Yeah. Currently it's below 2,000 euros.
For the e-bike?
Yeah, like with the battery completely. Yeah.
And there's one over there with no battery, right?
So that one is a prototype. We are introducing hydraulic disc brakes, and we are also introducing on that one automatic shifting. We call the system Collaborate. We have this already on our full-size bike, and now we are introducing this on our folding bike.
Do you want to show me that one too?
Yeah, of course. This will be released sometime this year. So you can see here, like we have this automatic shifting system.
Is that a servo?
Yeah, so practically it's supplying from the bike battery, it's supplying the source, so you don't need to change the battery, it's already like integrated.
So it's also an e-bike?
Yeah. Of course the battery is on side, so it's the same system as before. And this is like the new rack, so it's not related to battery, just like for the bag.
Do you make these also not as e-bikes?
This is already like not e-bike, but what Lemmo is offering is always like that you can use it as a proper bicycle and proper e-bike. So you can always, when you're not using it as an e-bike, the motor detaches and you have no resistance when pedaling. Yeah. Okay. So we have this also on full-size bike and on folding bikes. Yeah.
About 2,000 right around.
Yeah, below 2,000.
Brompton is like
3.5.
2,000, 2.5. Yeah, for e-bike I don't know, it's more.
No, it's a 3.5 here for e-bike. Yeah. So I think it's like a big difference, but we always try to be like honest with pricing, and we understand as a company, like if we want to bring people to be on the electric bike instead of riding a car, you have to offer the price that makes sense for everyone, not only for privileged people who can pay this cost. So we always try to design and engineer the bikes in a way that the production and everything leads to the final lower price. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for the demonstration. I'm Tom.
Thank you. I'm Tony. I'm one of the partners in Lemmo.
So the wheels are 16 inches, by the way, nearly forgot that, and it's this flap here that allows it to get 20% smaller even than a Brompton. Can you open the flap?
Yeah. So this is where the magic happens, where actually the wheel comes through.
Okay.
I can show you when I
When you fold it, yeah. Very nice.
Reducing the size.
Try to remove the pedal and put it up here. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video, and I hope that you liked it. If you have any questions about this bike, write them into the comment section down below. Until next time, I wish you a good day. Bye now.